Hi, I had both my eyes done. I had my cataracts removed with Dr. Newman, and the experience was easy. It was fast, easy, painless really. Came home from the first operation, took my patch off in the afternoon, late afternoon. My vision was just a little blurry. By the next morning I was seeing clearly, and went back to work a couple of days later, and it was amazing, the difference in my vision. Then a few months later I had my right eye done, and the same thing. It was just amazing, the difference in my vision from having a cataract and going cataract free. I would advise anybody that has a cataract to have it removed, because your vision is very important. Don't be afraid to have it done, because it really is painless, and he makes it so easy and so fast. You'll be happy you did it.